how to change the default language for Google Voice typing on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the Home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. In here, tap on the Settings icon. Then we scroll down and then tap on General Management. After that, scroll down, and in here, tap on Keyboard List and Default. Then tap on Google Voice Typing, tap on the left hand side panel. Then from here, tap on Languages under Voice Typing Language. From the list here, go down and select a language that you would like to use. So quite a long list here. Then tap on Saved, and that's it. Now tap on the back key or tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.